Amidst gold tiles and red walls of picturesque gardens, Chinese youth adorned in traditional attire known as Hanfu gracefully posed for photographs, invoking a nostalgic journey to ancient times. The growing popularity of this fashion trend has ushered in new business opportunities for many across China, including services such as traditional Chinese makeup, photo shoots, and costume rentals. Ma Mianqun, a traditional long pleat skirt, is one of the most sought-after products.
过去这些汉服啊、马面裙，就是说比较传统，穿的时候是比较少，如果过节的时候啊，或者是演出的时候穿。我感觉现在的设计啊，还有这些做工啊，然后越来越日常化，平常也可以穿，
就感觉把一种文化传到了身上。就是因为现在汉服，我感觉推广的还挺不错，包括在那个短视频上刷到了很多小姐姐嘛，然后穿着汉服走遍全国各地，我就是非常喜欢这种感觉，也想带着我们的汉服去外面看一看。
Caoxian County is currently home to nearly 12,800 online Hanfu stores and over 2,000 companies related to the business, while close to 100,000 people are involved in the Hanfu industry. Luo Ruyan Hanfu, a local brand in the county owned by Yao Chixing, was founded in 2021. Her company launched dozens of Ma Mianqun designs during the Chinese New Year, selling more than 30,000 sets within 2 months.
你们看一下，这就是我们过年出的拜年服，有1000多款。然后呢，今年是龙年，龙凤呈祥，看到没有？然后这2款我们卖的非常火爆，一天呢大概能出500多套。我们现在就马面裙这一单，我们就是井喷式的一个需求。我们线上的销售每天的话，我们就销售到一定点我们就关了，就不敢再开播了。然后呢，线下呢就是旁边的车间就马不停蹄在做在加工，在生产。
In January, the company received the first batch of more than 100 overseas orders from the UK.
今年越来越多的一些国外客户也找到我们，因为他们国外的一个消费群体的不同，他们对于产品的一些关注点也不同。我们的设计团队也会针对国外的一些消费群体来推出更符合他们国外市场的一些更多个性化选择的产品。